basketball fans worry. The visiting Washington Wizards will face off against the Heat. The Wizards. Number 13. Number 34.
Defensive foul. Ahimi. That's his first personal foul. Shooting one. Wizards ball.
Number 8 inbounds the ball. Thompson.
Boy, he's really special. The defense has to account for him at all times.
Walker. Answers right back with a three of his own. 59 seconds left in the first quarter. Dishes. Hands it off. Hasn't slowed down since the opening tip-off, but he's going to need some help.
Someone else needs to pick up the pace, Kevin. It's that simple. Now it's not over yet, but it will be if they're not careful.
So far, he's almost single-handedly kept them in this game. The Heat, with a 2-for-1 opportunity. Let's see how they play the clock. Has had a rough game, and thankfully his teammates were there to back him up.
That's good basketball. Every once in a blue moon, your star will fade out on you. So you got to be ready for it and have other guys step up.
Walker. Number 13.
Kicked it to the right guy at the right time. That's a good pass.
Number 8. It's good! All right, the second quarter should begin momentarily. Number 34 inbounds it to start the second quarter. Butler has been fantastic all game long, but he's going to need some help to pull this one out.
Or a miracle. He's going to need the whole team to play like he's played for the rest of the game.
The Wizards
ball. Defensive foul. That's his first personal foul. First team foul.
Shooting 2. You could tell that was money from the moment it left his hand.
And he splits the free throws. Number 34. Number 42 inbounds the ball.
Assisted by Walker.
number 42. Butler.
Got a terrific look at that one. And you could tell from the moment it left his fingers that it was going in.
Walker. For three.
Number 34 inbounds the ball.
My goodness, he can't be happy about that play. That was ugly.
Butler. Curry. Walker.
Walker.
Drops in the buzzer beater. 25 to 20. Number 34 inbounds it to start the second half. Walker. Number 24. Lead pass.
Assisted by.
Number 34. The Heat.
Aren't always going to be able to go the distance, so your backup guys have to come in and play well.
Number 34. Grab the rebound and whips it ahead. The Heat. Number 13. Lays it in. Sweet time to lead into the round.
Great vision on display there. The pass led him perfectly to the basket. That's how you do it. My goodness, he can't be happy about that play. That was ugly.
Curry. Number 8. Number 23 hits the quick shot.
From downtown!
Inbounds the ball.
Here, they'll want to hold for one shot.
Wizards ball. Substitution on the court.
Outstanding hands for the steal.
Up court. The Heat. Walker. Can't get the buzzer beater. Number 8 inbounds it to start the fourth quarter. Curry. High post. Walker.
assisted by. Timeout.
The Wizards.
Wizards.
The Heat will go with a whole new group out there.
Substitution on the court.
Yep.
Number 42 inbounds the ball.
Drive so hard to the hoop. Unstoppable if you don't get a body in front of him.
1:15 left. Walker. Butler. Seconds left in the game.
Threads it down low, and his teammate finishes strong.
The dish. Number 24. Butler. Number 42 inbounds the ball. 30 seconds left. The Heat will dribble out the clock, and it's all over.